Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can quickly disconnect Wi-Fi on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. And in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the settings, accessibility, network, users and accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on network. And then right here, you're gonna find connection status and also your settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And then here you're gonna find connect to the internet. Just go ahead and click on it. And then your internet will be off. So this is how you can switch off Wi-Fi on your PlayStation 5. If you go back right now to the home page, as you can see guys, you're gonna find this message here in the bottom saying you're offline. Go online to use this feature. So the quickest way to go online is you can just go click on network settings and this will take you directly to your network settings, and then here you're gonna find connection status and settings. Go click on settings and click again on connect to the internet. Then you can click on set up internet connection and choose your Wi-Fi network. Then you're gonna be connected to it. As you can see guys, right now I am connected to the internet. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.